Hello, my brave friends. Look at our new letter, H. This is the letter H. H is for house. The house brings us together with our family, and we sleep and rest inside. Say it with me. H, house, warm and nice. Look what's on my head. H is for hat. A hat. A hat protects us from the sun and makes us look stylish. Say it with me. H, hat, protects and decorates us. Look at this beautiful animal on the farm. H is for horse. A horse. The horse runs fast and takes us on fun rides. Say it with me. H, horse, fast and strong. Look at this. H. H is for hand. A hand. With our hand, we write, draw, and play with our friends. Say it with me. H. Hand helps us create. Look at this beautiful symbol. H for heart. A heart. The heart loves and gives us nice feelings. Say it with me. H, heart. Full of love. Hey heroes, look at this tasty treat. H is for honey. Honey. Honey is made by bees and it's healthy and sweet. Say it with me. H, honey, yummy and natural. Hello, my friends. Look at our new letter. This is the letter I. I is for ice. Ice is cold and we play with it in winter. Say it with me. Ice, cold and fresh. Look at this cute creature. E is for ink. The squid makes ink to protect itself. Say it with me. E, ink. Magical and mysterious. Hey heroes, look at this light. I is for idea. An idea comes to our mind and helps us invent things. Say it with me. Idea, smart and helpful. Wow, look at the ice cream. I is for ice cream. Ice cream is delicious and we love it in summer. Say it with me. Ice cream, tasty and cool. Look at the house in the snow. I is for igloo. The Eskimos live in igloos made of ice. Say it with me. Igloo, warm and icy. Look at this tiny bug. I is for insect. An insect is small and important for nature. Say it with me. Insect, tiny and busy. Hello, my friends. Look at our new letter, J. This is the letter J. J is for juice. Juice is tasty and fresh, and we drink it in summer. Say it with me. J, juice, tasty and refreshing. Look at this yummy treat. J is for jam. Jam is tasty and we put it on toast. Say it with me. J, jam, sweet and yummy. Wow, look at this sweet thing. J is for jelly. Jelly. Jelly is soft and colorful. Say it with me. J, jelly, colorful and soft. Look at this big car. It's a Jeep. Jeep is for J, Jeep. A Jeep is strong and goes on all roads. Let's say it together. J, Jeep, strong and adventurous. Look at this warm clothing. J is for jacket. A jacket. A jacket keeps us warm in winter. Say it with me. J, jacket, warm and nice. Look at me while I jump. J is for jump, to jump. When we jump, we play and move and make our body strong. Say it with me. J, jump, jump, and joy. Hello, my friends. Look at our new letter, K. This is the letter K. K is for kite. A kite flies in the sky and we play with it. Say it with me. K, kite, flying high. Look at this cute animal. K is for koala. A koala. The koala loves to sleep and lives in the forest. Say it with me. K, koala, cute and sleepy. Look at this key. K is for key. A key opens doors and lets us enter our homes. Say it with me. K, key, opens and helps us. Look at what makes nice sounds. K is for keyboard. A keyboard. We play lovely music with it. Say it with me. K, keyboard, music, and joy. Look at this seafood. K is for kingfish. A kingfish. A big and tasty fish. Say it with me. K, kingfish, fresh and tasty. Look at this brave hero. K is for king. A king. A king rules his people with love and fairness. Say it with me. K, king, strong and wise. Hello, my friends. Look at our new letter, L. This is the letter L. L is for lion. The lion is very strong and is the king of the jungle. Say it with me. L, lion, brave and strong. Look at this beautiful light. L is for light. Light helps us see everything around us. Let's say it together. L, light, lights up our life. Hey heroes, look at this bug. L is for ladybug. The ladybug is small, pretty, and good for plants. Say it with me. L, ladybug, small and colorful. Look at this sweet treat. L is for lollipop. A lollipop is sweet and tasty. Say it with me. L, lollipop, sweet and fun. Look at this green leaf. L is for leaf. A leaf helps the tree breathe. Say it with me. L, leaf, green and fresh. Wow! Look at this yellow fruit. L is for lemon. A lemon tastes sour, but it's healthy and good for us. A lemon tastes sour and tasty. Say it with me. L, lemon, sour and tasty. Hello, heroes. Look at our new letter. This is the letter M. M is for monkey. The monkey plays in the trees and eats bananas. Say it with me. Monkey, fun and active. Look at this tasty food. M is for meal. A meal gives us energy and helps us grow. Say it with me. M, meal, tasty and healthy. Look at what's in the sky at night. Moon. The moon lights up the sky at night. Say it with me. Moon. Bright and beautiful. Look at this, Mom. M is for mother. Mother is loving and cares for us so much. Say it with me. M. Mother. Love and warmth. Look at this cute toy. It's a mouse. M for mouse. The mouse is small, fast, and loves cheese. Say it with me. M, mouse, small and cute. Hey friends, look at this cup. M. M is for milk. Milk is very good for our body and makes our bones strong. Say it with me. M, milk, healthy and tasty. Hello, heroes! Look at our new letter. This is the letter N. N is for nest. A nest is the warm home for birds. Say it with me. N, nest, warm and safe.
Look at this yummy snack. Mmm. N is for nut. Nuts are tasty and very healthy. Say it with me. N, nut. Crunchy and healthy.
Look at this amazing animal. N is for narwhal. The narwhal lives in the cold sea. Say it with me. N, narwhal, unique and cool. Hey heroes, look at what we use every day. N is for nose. The nose helps us smell nice scents. Say it with me. N, nose, smells, and senses. Look at what lights up the sky. N is for night. At night, we see the stars and the moon. Say it with me. N, night, calm and nice. Wow, look at this music sign. N is for note. A note writes the music we sing. Say it with me. N, note, music and melody.